This is Sohan Gupta from grade 5B, Scottish High International School. Today, I would like to present my holiday homework project. Now this project has two principles, the Dominos effect and the gravitational pull, which causes the potential energy to get converted into the kinetic energy. When I push this block, it causes a chain reaction, thus causing the stable car to move. Due to the gravitational force, the potential energy is being converted into the kinetic energy. Now the car will slide down the track and hit the bell. Now let us see this. The bell is rung. This can be used in practical life. It can be executed from a remote location. Thank you.